A cooperation platform built by North China's Tianjin municipality in May has helped many local enterprises go global. The platform aims to connect foreign trade enterprises and promote the sharing of resources in financing, insurance, and credit service. 52 foreign trade enterprises have so far joined the platform. Tianjin Huatu Automobile Logistics Company Limited is one of them.
我们依托于天津市走出去合作平台，与国内的二手车企业，在第2届中国天津二手车出口海外展销会上，不但成功地售出了70余辆展车，也获得了超过300台的二手车订单。
Thanks to strong policy support, the company has exported 1,409 vehicles by the end of November this year, with a value 10 times that of last year.
我们强化精准服务支持，扩大政策覆盖面，推动天津市走出去平台建设走深走实，带动外贸出口。